Hey, what's up? Stellar XLM here, a holder. It's a completely proper time and definitely, my friend. In this video, I predicate this coin, my brother, and absolutely in upcoming time, there is a chance so they will give you a profit or not, my brother. So kindly don't skip any second and understand better now. So this time, my brother, you can see here last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 24, last 7 days. You can see here. So all change occur completely positive, and the price will be completely increasing. So this is very good, my friend, for all of you. You can see here this time Stellar XLM is starting moving up for now. The volume, if you can see, my brother, the last 24 hours, so 1 million 1 billion, and my friend, you can see here. So it's a very good, my friend. You can see here this is comfortable and absolutely, my friend, with the volume is decreased now, so therefore the price is also very badly decreased now. So kindly holder, please, this all just and only depends, my brother, on holder. If you are starting selling, so they will fall down, but if you hold, so they will moving up for now. Let's see, my brother, but kindly like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Please like and subscribe. Alright, come to the point. If you can see, my brother, just and only if we check it out, my brother, this chart result. So this chart is completely showing to they will move upward, and there is no chance so they will fall down. But this is only, my friend, this is possible because, my brother, absolutely a lot of cryptocurrencies very badly falls down also in those ranks. So there absolutely also there is a chance so they will fail, they will also falls down. But let's see, holder, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. My opinion is to please hold. What's your opinion? Tell me in a comment box.